Good day to all our social media fans and followers. My name is Vian van der Walt and I'm Customer Relations Manager for Legacy Motor Group. As per the new regulations that govern the lockdown, Legacy Motor Group is now open for all essential service workers to book a service or repair for their vehicles. Legacy Motor Group has put strict sanitation measures in place as per government regulations. One entrance for all customers, social distance demarcation within the dealer, and all touch points are sanitized on a continuous basis. Our staff are all wearing face masks and all customers and staff are screened using infrared thermometers upon entering the premises to ensure the safety of everyone visiting our facility. Please note that essential service customers will have to present their essential services permit when bringing their car for service. BMW On Call is still available throughout lockdown for all breakdowns. To book a service, please call the number or click the link in the post.